this old dead brush off the top here. Who knows how old it is.
Oh, probably years and years old.
Not sure where to put this, so we just throw it over here for right now.
Yep.
It's forest fire stuff there.
Yeah, it would definitely cause a fire.
I'm just getting major stuff here. We got that wire. Let's see.
Are you going to take that wire loose?
Not right at this moment. I'm just going to move it out of the way.
Okay. Not till we need to.
I'm trying to... There. No, I'm not getting into all that today. Alright, let's start by taking this wire loose here on this board. Stuff here is pretty tight still yet.
Well, I guess that means you put it in there good the first time, huh?
Yeah, this part.
Oh, I hear the chickens.
Somebody laid an egg.
Yeah. We know that sound well, don't we?
Yep. Maybe they heard about their chicken lot they're going to get.
Maybe.
Shorty needs something to stand on here.
Get your ladder.
Hard for me to use my left hand.
Hey. Smile.
I'm always smiling. What are you talking about? Working's what I do for fun. This is fun for me.
I believe you.
Now the ladder's on it.
Get on this side. Oh.
Did I hit you?
Yeah, I just walked by at the nick of time to
I'm
grab
sorry.
it. It wasn't your fault. I walked by about the time you threw it.
Alright, that's out of the way. I need to take this loose. Take the wire loose off of this board, and then we'll take it off. And it's hard not to put my back to the camera.
That's why I keep going from one side to the other. There we are.
Yeah, this board here is pretty rotten. Which is good for me taking it apart because it pretty much just falls out almost.
We're so old
Yeah.
and rotten.
Well, like I said in that other video, I'm pretty sure some of this stuff was used lumber when Dad used it.
Might have been.
So who knows how old some of this stuff is. Trying to do this part as fast as I can, guys. I know it's boring. But it's part of it.
Yeah, you gotta take it apart. Especially if you're building it back in the same place. Yeah.
Well,
But this is the ideal spot, I believe.
I think the chickens will like it. The chickens way back there liked it.
Yeah. Actually, when we got together, it was like the end of the chickens, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But they left a little bit after that.
Yep. When we moved to Tennessee. Right?
Yep.
We're still rebuilding. That hurt. Squished my toe.
Sorry.
I know, poor baby, right? All right, now we can take this board loose. Are you ready for some action?
Yeah, I'm waiting on it. Loose.
It's loose now.
Yep. It was a good board. At
30
one
years
time.
ago.
Yeah.
Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me a fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on a griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy.